But some things I discovered is I could work my ass off outdoors. Like out here doing what I've done, like I've been working almost non-stop all day. So a vision quest is just a journey you go on. Technically, I guess you could go down to 7-Eleven and say you're going on a vision quest, and that would count. However, for me, the vision quest, I bring a little bit more intention into it. I get outdoors. I actually go on a journey. So I drove 2 hours to get here, and that's what I think is important about the vision quest, is you actually need to go to a destination. And let's say today I'm still processing this whole experience, but some things I discovered is I could work my ass off outdoors. Like out here doing what I've done, like I've been working almost non-stop all day, but it's not work. I'm just having fun. I feel loads of energy, and so I'm just moving and just enjoying the moment. So sometimes you don't need to have like this hardcore, oh, I found this $100 bill when I went on this vision quest. Yes, sometimes the vision quest, you don't need to find anything. Sometimes the gifts you may receive, if at all, are internal. And sometimes those gifts take time to come to the surface or be reflected in your external world. That's the journey. That's the vision quest. I'm gonna house a couple of more of these. I think this is a great spot. So we're gonna do some more vision quest, get some guys out here, fucking lifting wood, lifting rocks, cutting wood, throwing rocks, making food, going on vision quest, fighting mosquitoes that never stop. But it's cool. They do stop, actually.